So yun mga koys. So welcome again to Kois TV. So for this video, I will teach you how to convert mixed number to improper fraction mga koys. Easy tips only mga koys. So let's start. So for example, we have 2 and 1 over 2 or 1/2 mga koys. So we have two parts of the fraction. So we have n and d. So n represent as numerator and d as a denominator mga koys. So how to convert it from mixed to improper? So easy mga koys. So we will multiply the whole number, so which is 2, and the denominator which is 2. So we will multiply 2 times 2. That's it. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then, so the remaining or the numerator, so we will add only the numerator mga koys. So 4, which is the total of 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then we will add the numerator which is 1. So 4 plus 1, that is equals to 5. Okay? 5 over the same denominator mga koys, so which is 2. So 5 over 2. So this is our answer. 5 over 2 is the improper fraction of 2 and 1/2. So that's it mga boys. So I hope that you learned from these simple tips mga boys. So once again, thank you for watching from Kois TV. So God bless to all my subscribers and to Tribong Yayamin pa lang. Shout out dyan sa Cotabato Biners mga koys. So pinapangunahan ni Patrick Giliangao, shout out sa lahat ng subscribers, lalo na dyan sa may New Cebu, Purok Ono, President Roas, at sa lahat ng taga New Cebu at sa may Alegria, President Roas, Cotabato mga koys, sa Katoliko family. Thank you for watching. So that's it. So God bless mga koys. So huwag kalimutan ang ating simple tips, Kois TV.